Proactive monitoring means getting the right alerts to the right teams at the right time. With Collective's new notification integrations, you can route video quality notifications directly to the channels where your teams collaborate, enabling faster response times and better collaboration. Let's get started. From the Collective Customer Portal homepage, navigate to Manage, then Notifications, and select Settings. Click on the Destinations tab to see your configured notification endpoints. These are able to send to one of three types of destinations: Microsoft Teams, Slack, or ServiceNow. To create a new destination, click Add Destination, which opens a modal. From the Destination Type dropdown, select Microsoft Teams. This will allow us to push notifications directly to your team's channel. Next, choose which notification types you want to send to this destination. You can be selective. For example, only sending stream quality alerts, or you can choose to send all notification types. This flexibility lets you customize alert routing based on your team's needs. Now paste in your Microsoft Teams webhook URL. If you need help creating this webhook in Teams, check out our companion video. Add a clear description so your team knows where these notifications are being sent. For example, knock team channel or video ops alerts. You'll immediately see a modal offering to send a test notification. Click Send a Test to verify everything is configured correctly. Within seconds, you should see the test alert appear in your Microsoft Teams channel, confirming your integration is working as expected. That's it. Your Microsoft Teams destination is now active and ready to receive quality alerts from Collective. Your teams can now respond to video quality issues faster, right from the tools they already use every day. For more information on notification destinations and other integrations, visit our documentation portal.